Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see AI Writer enhance your idea with SciSpace. This platform are providing you bunch of information, and what is new, how to use, we will see detailed information in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here SciSpace. Even I already added this link in video description. You just simply click here the first link. Now the platform URL is a typeset.io. I already added this link in video description and you can come to directly here. This platform are providing bunch of other information also, but we are targeting today AI Writer. So we click here AI Writer. So what exactly new in AI Writer? So look at this here. So AI Writer are helping you to improve your paragraph, improve your skill, and add such kind of citation as well. If you are a researcher, so this platform is one of the best platform I saw ever. Before start anything, we just simply sign up here. As a sign up point of view, I use my personal email address, so I can very easily use as a day-to-day activities point of view. So here sign up is a starting. So now start writing. This platform are providing you easy to AI tracking, plagiarism, and so many features are available here if you are researcher. So this platform is one of the best platform. So we just simply type here GAN AI and I put it here one of the paragraph. So I just simply add here one of the paragraph related information, and we can see here I select here entire paragraph, and here AI Writer is coming here. Paragraph, entire paragraph, here the other informations are available. AI paragraph, and AI paragraph, inside the AI paragraph, fluence, paraphrasing, simplify, make a little longer. So I just simply select here a little longer, and look at this. Before use, they are providing before use this, before replacing this text, you can read first of all and then replace the section. So look at this, the entire paragraph is replaced. If you want citation of this specific paragraph, select and cite. So look at this here, bunch of citation is coming here. So you just simply select this one and the citation is coming here. That is really interesting. If you want citation some more the same paragraph, you can again select citation, select next one, select next one. You can select all of them and then all citation is automatically coming here. So look at this, the citation is automatically distribute as a different position and different level. That is the beauty of this AI writing. If you select here this paragraph numbering, you can change the numbers also, paragraphs also. And here the AI writing providing you translation, fix grammars also, summarize, and writing specific arrangement, summarize, translation, fix arrangement, little longer, simplify. So which one you want, select like a paraphrasing, which point of view you want paraphrase the specific word, paragraph, academic, friendly, casual, and impressive way. So I just simply select here academic way. So academic way. So look at this here, generative academic point of view are providing this information, and you just simply replace them, and that's it. The entire paragraph is changed. You just simply select again AI transaction, AI writing, paraphrasing, simplify, and we can go here academic, replace text, and all contents are replaced. That one is a really interesting features they are introducing here, and bunch of other informations also available here. So you can very easily add here the citation, bold, and you can do the link also, and so many features you can do here, whatever you want, justification, AI related all points here I already cover one to one. And after finish everything, you can very easily download this documents in your laptop. Look at this. So for example, this is my dissertation and I complete my dissertation chapter 1. After that, I can very easily download this page and use as a submission point of view. So look at this here, I call it here references, and the references also coming here with the specific URL including. That is the beauty of this SciSpace. That is the beauty of AI Writer platform. It's really interesting. If you want use this platform, you can use my referral link. Referral link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Till then, if you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.